Many parents all over the world think their children don't listen because they're distracted. But that's not the real issue. Listening is a skill. It can only be trained with improving working memory and the attention. Then you will see a lot of improvement in your child. After all, there's a saying that goes, we have 2 ears and 1 mouth, meaning we should listen twice as much than we speak. Remember the 5-second pause strategy? Today we're going to try it on a focus game and see how we can improve listening in our children. In this game, we are going to be focusing on 3 main things. 1, attention. 2, working memory. And 3, self-control. However, we will increase the difficulty level in 3 phases. No repeated instructions, just 1 clear direction and a pause. The pause is where the brain starts working. Daniel, place the white queen on E5. Good job. Did you notice what happened in the video? I said his name, I gave the direction, and I paused and waited for his response. Clarity builds confidence. Daniel, place the white king on D3 and the black king on B5. Nice try. Now, if your child doesn't get it at the first try again, but make sure you follow the same pattern. Daniel, place the white bishop on F3, move the pawn to D3, and the rook to A3, all white. Now, very important, did you notice that I didn't increase the way I spoke? I only increased the level of difficulty by having a level 1, a level 2, and a level 3, of which 3rd is actually supposed to be the hardest. Remember, listening is a skill that needs to be trained. When we repeat instructions, the brain automatically believes it needs to depend on repetition before it can process. But when we pause, the brain actually goes to start working in order to retrieve the information that was given out to it. It strengthens the working memory. Now that's the power of the 5-second pause strategy.